Hey there, South African manufacturers. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Do you dream of expanding your production, upgrading your equipment, or simply boosting your working capital? If you're looking for funding up to a massive or 5 million, you've come to the right place. We know that running a manufacturing business comes with its own unique set of challenges. From raw material costs to equipment maintenance, cash flow can be a constant struggle. That's why we're here to help you access the funding you need to thrive. Imagine what you could achieve with an injection of up to our 5 million. You could invest in state-of-the-art machinery, increase efficiency and production capacity, expand your production facilities, meet growing demand and reach new markets, boost your working capital, ensure smooth operations and manage cash flow, develop new product lines, innovate and diversify your offerings. So, what does it take to qualify? It's simpler than you might think. To be eligible, your business needs to meet a few basic requirements. First, your business must be registered with CIPC, Companies and Intellectual Property Commission. Second, your business must have been operating for at least 1 year. And finally, you need to demonstrate a minimum monthly turnover of over 40,000 for the past 3 months, with at least 15 transactions and a healthy cash flow in your business bank account. If you meet these criteria, you're well on your way to securing the funding you need. We understand that paperwork can be daunting, but we've made the application process as streamlined as possible. Click the link to the application portal. You'll find all the information you need, including detailed requirements and expert tips, to ensure a smooth application. Don't let this incredible opportunity pass you by. This funding could be the catalyst your manufacturing business needs to achieve its full potential. Simply click the link in the description below to get started. We're here to support South African manufacturers and help you build a stronger economy. Don't wait, apply now and turn your manufacturing dreams into reality.